Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take English second paper class for the students of class 8. Look dear students, our today's topic is voice and it's our topic is interrogative form, okay, and this is our lecture number 4 and SW number 4, okay. Now dear students, I am going to start our today's topic. Please follow that dear students. From interrogative sentence, look, rules number 1, rules of changing sentences from active to passive. Number 1, interrogative sentence beginning with auxiliary verbs in bracket am, is, are, was, were, has, have, had, okay. Interrogative sentence beginning with auxiliary verbs in bracket am, is, are, was, were, has, have, had, okay. Rules number 1, the given auxiliary verb, okay. Number 1, the given auxiliary verb in bracket according to person and number, plus number 2, the object becomes the subject, plus number 3, be or being or been in bracket according to tense, plus past participle form of the given verb, plus by, then you have to add agent in bracket the subject becomes the object, plus question mark, okay. Look dear students, here be is used in the simple future, being is used in all the continuous tenses, and been is used in all the perfect tenses, okay. Now dear students, I am going to say an example. Please follow that. In active voice, is he reading a book? Is he reading a book? So as per our structure, here you will write like this way. In passive voice, is a book being read by him? Is a book being read by him? Then again in active voice, has he eaten the mangoes? In passive voice, here you will do it like this way. Have the mangoes been eaten by him? Okay. Then number 2, interrogative sentence beginning with do or does. Rules number 1, look here, am or is or are, plus number 2, the object becomes the subject, plus past participle of the given verb, plus by, plus agent in bracket the subject becomes the object, plus question mark. I am going to say the question. In active voice, does he help me? In passive voice, here you will write am I helped by him? Am I helped by him? So as per our structure, what we have done, interrogative sentence beginning with do or does, at that time here you have to do it like this way, am or is or are, plus the object becomes the subject, plus past participle of the given verb, plus by, plus agent, I mean the subject becomes the object, plus question mark, okay. So first example is what? In active voice, does he help me? Here you will write in passive voice, am I helped by him? Again another example, do they play cricket? In passive voice, here you will write is cricket played by them, okay. Then look dear students, look here, am is used before I, is used before he, she, it, any subject of third person singular number, and are is used before we, you, they and all other plural subjects, okay. Then number 3, interrogative sentence beginning with did, okay. Number 1, was or were, plus the object becomes the subject, plus past participle form of the given verb, plus by, plus agent, the subject becomes the object, plus question mark. In active voice, did they play football? So in passive voice, here you will write was football played by them, was football played by them. Dear students, was is used before any singular subject and were is used before any plural subject. Now number 4, interrogative sentence beginning with who. Look here, when you are going to make its passive form, at that time here you will write, look, by whom, plus auxiliary verb according to tense and person, plus the object becomes the subject, plus past participle of the given verb, plus question mark. For example, in active voice, who teaches you? Who teaches you? In passive voice, here you will do it like this way, by whom. As per our structure, you will write by whom are you taught? By whom are you taught? Okay. Then another example, who is calling me? Look dear students, here you will write in passive voice, by whom am I being called? By whom am I being called? Okay. So here as per our structure, what we have learned, when interrogative sentence beginning with who, at that time at first we will do at first we have to write by whom plus auxiliary verb according to tense and person, plus the object becomes the subject and past participle of the given verb plus question mark you have to write. Okay. Then number 5, interrogative sentence beginning with whom. At that time here you will do who plus auxiliary verb according to tense, person and number plus be or being plus past participle form of the given verb plus by plus agent in bracket the subject becomes the object plus question mark. In for example, in active voice, whom are you teaching? In passive voice, here we will write who is being taught by you, who is being taught by you. Okay, so dear students, I am going to say another example. In active voice, whom have you seen in the market? In passive voice, here you will write who has been seen by you in the market. Okay, then dear students, I am going to discuss in our last rules, look number 6, interrogative sentence beginning with what. Okay, at that time, look dear students, you have to write what plus auxiliary verb according to tense, person and number plus be, being or being, be or been plus past participle of the given verb plus by plus agent in bracket the subject becomes the object plus question mark. Now dear students, as per our structure, now I am going to say an example. In active voice, what is he eating? What is he eating? In passive voice, here you will write what is being eaten by him, what is being eaten by him. Look dear students, look here another example. In active voice, what have you done? In passive voice, here as per our structure, here you will write what has been done by you, what has been done by you. So from our structure, what we have learned, interrogative, when interrogative sentence beginning with what, at that time to make it passive voice, here at first you will write what plus auxiliary verb according to tense, person and number plus be or being or been plus past participle of the given verb plus by plus agent, I mean the subject becomes the object plus question marks of course you have to put. Okay dear students, now dear students, I am going to give your SW. You will do as your SW, you will do 5 exercises from interrogative sentence. Okay, any 5 exercises you will do from this interrogative form. Okay, you have to make this and submit it on next Saturday. So dear students, hope you have understood our today's topic. See you again in our next class. Allah Hafiz.